Hey history buffs! Today, I'm diving into the captivating journey of Nigeria's independence. Buckle up, because this story is packed with resilience, strategy, and a thirst for freedom. First, let's rewind to the 19th century. Britain had its eyes on Africa, and by 1901, Nigeria was officially a British colony. The diverse ethnic groups and rich cultures were overshadowed by colonial rule. The British exploited Nigeria's resources, and this exploitation sowed the seeds of resistance. Fast forward to the early 20th century, the winds of change started to blow. Nigerian elites, educated both locally and abroad, began to question colonial rule. Figures like Nnamdi Azikiwe and Obafemi Awolowo emerged as vocal leaders, advocating for self-governance and unity. Their writings and speeches ignited a sense of nationalism among Nigerians. By the 1940s, the push for independence gained momentum. Political parties were formed and Nigerians began to demand a say in their own affairs. In 1954, Nigeria became a federation, a significant step towards self-rule. But it wasn't enough. The clamor for complete independence grew louder. The turning point came in the late 1950s. The British finally agreed to grants of independence, realizing they couldn't suppress the growing tide of nationalism. On October 1, 1960, Nigeria proudly hoisted its green and white flag, marking its first Independence Day. It was a moment of triumph and hope, a new chapter in Nigeria's history. But the journey didn't end there. The post-independence era brought its own challenges, including civil unrest and economic struggles. However, Nigeria's spirit of resilience shone through, continually striving for a better future. So, next time you think of Nigeria, remember the incredible journey from colony to independence. It's a testament to the power of unity, determination, and the unyielding spirit of the people. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating history stories. See you next time.